Hello class, in this video, I'm going to show you how to graph in Microsoft Excel. So suppose you have a linear equation that says y equals negative 3x plus 2, and the x values are provided to you. Then all you have to do is to calculate the y values, and then you can create the graph. All right, now the good news about Excel is if an equation or a formula is provided, all you have to do is to do it in one cell. So suppose I do it here, right? When I write a formula, I always start with an equal sign, like so. And then I will just copy the formula. So negative 3. I'm multiplying, so I will use the asterisk symbol. So negative 3 times x. And then you just click the location of x, right? So the x value that I'm calculating in this case is on A5. That's why it's A5 right here. Now, the good news is you don't have to type A5. All you have to do is to click the cell where x is located, and you're done. All right, and then I will just do plus 2. All right, and Excel will automatically calculate this for me. So the answer is 11. And then all I have to do is to go back to this number, right? And then just find that square on the lower right corner and just drag it all the way down. And it will automatically do the calculations for me. All right. So the next thing that I want to do is to highlight the titles, which are X and Y, all the way to X equals 3. All right. And then I will click the Insert tab. And then these are the charts in the middle. It may look a little different depending on your version of Excel. But anyway, what you're looking for is this one right here, the one that says scatter plot, right? Scatter. All right. So I just click this down, and the design that I want is maybe something like this. And you will see you have the linear graph here. All right. Now, as you can see on top, you can change the color if you want. I don't really care what color you use as long as your values are correct. All right, and that's it. Now, what if you have two equations or even three equations that you want to graph together? All right, so let's take a look at here. All right, so I have two equations, y1 and y2. The formulas are provided to me. So I want to start off with y1. All right, and just like what we did in the previous slide, I will start with an equal sign. I type the negative 3, and then I will multiply that with x, so asterisk. The location of x is here. All right, and you will know because it's highlighted, and then there's that dancing rectangle, right, surrounding negative 3. All right, and then plus 2. There you go. That's my formula. And I press enter, and I'm done. All I have to do, just like in the previous sheet, is to go back here, look for that square on the lower right corner, and you see here, this is a white cross. And if it changes to black, that allows me to drag this down, and it will automatically populate, right? So the answers are here. You don't have to do it one by one. All right, I'll do the same thing for y2, right? y2, the formula is 5x minus 22. So I will start again with an equal sign. I will do 5 times x. Again, this one is the location of x. And then minus 22. All right, I press enter, and it should say negative 37. All right, I will drag this down, just like in the previous column. And those are my values. Okay, now if I want to graph all of this together, I will just highlight the titles all the way down to 6, right? And then, just like in the previous sheet, I will click the Insert tab and look for that scatter icon, right? The one with dots. And I will press the arrow down, and I will use this example. All right, so there you go. You have your two lines. Y1 is clearly the blue one, right? It says here on the graph, and then Y2 is the orange line. All right, and you can see the intersection clearly over here. It will say 3, negative 7. So that's how you know if you're doing it correctly, right? I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, please make sure to send me an email. All right. Thanks for watching.